Tianjin Gatton Again Co., Ltd., located in Tianjin Beiyou Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters R&D center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and military clothing. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Intelligent manufacturing solutions for automotive interiors including flatbed scanning digitizer, one button to start after placing scanning pieces, can vacuum adsorption auto scanning auto transmission, according to different models, support ultra-long width scanning, scanning speed up to 7,200 mm minute, scanning resolution 150 to 300 dpi, high-definition panoramic one-to-one image to ensure effective identification of various contours, not just inner holes. Cut piece visual inspection instruments. After manual placement, one-click start allows for automatic scanning, automatic inspection of cut pieces, and automatic data storage. Scanning speed can reach up to 120 mm per second, with no need for additional lighting, ensuring reliable use in all weather conditions. Scanning resolution is 150 to 300 dpi, and the high-definition panoramic one-to-one image ensures that the inner-outer contours of the cut pieces are clearly visible. Automatic spreading machine. Easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Small format camera positioning laser engraver cutting machine, supports array recognition processing, with options for full sheet recognition, followed by cutting or simultaneous recognition and cutting. Features multi-template mixed cutting, allowing the recognition and positioning of different patterns to be completed in a single operation. Fully automatic large format laser cutting machine with inkjet device. Large format automatic feeding system, designed to meet the requirements for feeding and cutting whole rolls of fabric. Constant optical path design ensures consistent laser output across all positions during large format cutting, resulting in uniform processing quality. Applicable to industries such as custom clothing, single-piece cutting, sofas, toys, footwear and headwear, textile print pattern positioning cutting, automotive interiors, industrial filtration, and advertising, etc. Automatic single-layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra-long materials. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Precision single-head cap, tubular embroidery machine, pattern rotation and proportional scaling. Patterns can be scaled up or down in 1% increments, ranging from 50% to 200%, and rotated in 1 degrees increments, with a rotation range from 0 degrees to 89 degrees. Precision two-heads cap, tubular embroidery machine, equipped with automatic color changing, automatic thread trimming by motor, servo motor thread hooking, and automatic thread broken detection, used for high-end customization of clothing, bags, shoes, hats, toys, and other products. Computerized embroidery machine. High-speed embroidery has with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. Automatic template sewing machine. Rotary heavy material. Both the X and the Y axis use a screw and slide transmission method, providing high precision and good stability. Suitable for pattern sewing on leather and heavy materials, such as car seats, sofas, massage chairs, boat interiors, and aircraft seats. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. Sewing equipment includes Automatic arbitrary rotary single needle leather sewing machine, suitable for automated leather pattern sewing in the fields of automotive interiors, car seat covers, car door panels, airplane seats, and leather furniture upholstery. Brand new integrated sewing head design, simple and elegant overall appearance. 15-inch HD industrial touch control screen. Two sides workbenches designed with a flexible mechanism, reducing size after folding for easier transportation. Sewing head can rotate at any angle, avoiding differences between forward and reverse stitches, improving sewing efficiency and stitch quality. Pneumatic lifting head structure with a stroke of 50 mm, making frame changes and span sewing more convenient. The advantage of an independently driven presser foot system lies in its ability to control presser foot height through real-time pattern programming, effectively addressing uneven presser foot pressure issues when sewing materials of varying thicknesses. Newly upgraded triple lead screw drive for higher dynamic positioning accuracy. Max speed holds min-neck head 2,500 stitches, min. Sewing equipment includes fully automatic perforation and sewing integrated machine. Punching machine head is specifically designed and developed for leather materials, equipped with various round punching tools specifications. Sewing head up moving stroke in 50 mm, providing sufficient space for material loading and easy operation. Suitable for perforation and sewing processes of various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in car seats, automotive interiors, aircraft seats, luggage, furniture, and more. Fully automatic embroidery and sewing integrated machine. 9-color embroidery machine head to meet the embroidery needs of different industries. The embroidery thread clamping mechanism incorporates a novel upper thread clamping assembly, effectively reducing thread breakage and slippage occurrences during operation. Specially designed sewing machine head for leather materials, producing beautiful stitching. Presser foot height is motor controlled and highly adjustable. Sewing machine head has up-down moving stroke of 50 mm, providing ample space for material loading and ease of operation. Suitable for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather for automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage, furniture, etc., combining embroidery and sewing processes. Fully automatic perforation round hole 加 embroidery 加 sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching 加 embroidering 加 sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic perforation special hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. Specially developed punching machine head for leather materials. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching 加 embroidering 加 sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Industrial sewing machine heavy material. Direct drive single needle automatic thread trimming compound feed sewing machine. Enhanced direct drive single needle automatic thread trimming compound feed sewing machine. Direct drive cylinder bed single needle compound feed sewing machine. Direct drive post bed single needle compound feed sewing machine. Intensive direct drive double needle compound feed sewing machine. Enhanced direct drive post bed double needle compound feed sewing machine, etc. High frequency machine. Built-in stapless heating system with adjustable temperature from 0 to 300. Embossing and stamping for car, motorcycle foot mats, blister packaging, plastic heat sealing and leather embossing. Getting again MCADV10. Getting again Super MCADV10. Getting again wire so CADV10. In addition, Tianjin Getting Again has developed the EDOS Enterprise Digital Operations Management System. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. The features of DOS can be summarized as the 4 ones. one industrial enterprise, one technology platform, one data standard, and one operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.